This is the only video you will ever need to get more frames and lower delay. These are the settings deep inside of Windows that are actually killing your FPS, and today we're fixing all of them. And the last one, by the way, is one of the best ones I've ever shown, so make sure you stay till the end. Let's get right into the video. For our first tweak, the smartest tweak you can do to your PC, by the way, go into the search bar and just search power. Go on to edit power plan. You guys are going to see what we're doing right here, by the way. Change advanced power settings, just click onto it. Now, what we need to look for, processor power management. Now, I have loads of settings here, one of which being processor idle disable. We don't want your processor to be in idle mode whatsoever, so literally just go onto it. Now, I know most of you won't even have this setting because you need to enable it within the registry editor. Now, this is how to actually get this setting. Super simple, by the way. Press Windows and R at the same time, so run pops up. Now just type in reg edit, and this single-handedly is one of the most important tweaks. Obviously, why would you want your processor to be in idle mode? Now, to actually get that setting, we just need to get right here. And now, whatever folders I bring down, by the way, you guys watching the video, make sure you bring it down as well to actually get to this file. HQ local machine, just bring that folder down. That's the first one. System, bring that folder down. Current control set, bring that one down. Control, bring that one down. Now scroll down until we see power, then go on to power settings and bring that one down. Now this is where things get a little bit iffy, but don't worry, you could just take your time. One folder we need to look for is this one, 5453351. Bring that folder down. Make sure obviously it's exactly that folder. Bring that one down. Now scroll down until we see 5D76A2CA. I know, super confusing, but now we're done with it because we could just click onto it. Once you click onto it, go onto the attributes. This is the processor idle disable, by the way. Go onto attributes, value data of 0, press onto OK. Once you do this, go back onto your power plan. Literally yet again, just search power, edit power plan, change advanced power settings, then processor power management. Now processor idle disable will guarantee to be there for you. So just click onto the plus setting. Now what do you guys think? Enable idle or disable idle? Well, you guys already know we're disabling that. Press apply, press on OK. And for our next week, a command prompt I've never shown on this channel. Go onto search bar, search CMD, go onto run as administrator. Make sure it says administrator in the top left. To get this line of code, super simple, by the way, literally just go down in the description below. That's where I always leave it for you guys. And by the way, if you haven't already, please do subscribe to this video and also remember to leave a like. It means so much to me, and I bring out weekly PC tweaking videos. What we need to look for is this: disable PCIe bus power management. What this is, by the way, somewhere deep inside of your graphics card, there is power management going on, throttling your graphics card. Obviously, why on earth would we want this? To actually do this line of code, by the way, Control C on the first line, literally just like so. So we copy it, then paste it, Control V onto command prompt, press enter. Nothing's going to happen. If so, that's completely fine. Now the second line of code, just to make sure it's definitely active when on our PC, do the same thing again. Nothing's going to happen. Again, completely fine. And now the most important tweak will be inside of JINSHI Overclocker, brand new to the Gingi Tweaks family. What it is, by the way, the technology inside of this app is outstanding. 7 developers worked on it. What it actually is, it can overclock your PC as safe as possible, because we all know how hard overclocking actually is. But with Gingi Tweaks Overclocker, we've made it so easy with one click of a button. And once I do show you, by the way, my camera will lag, and I'll explain to you why. Let's just say medium right here. What it's going to do is a stability test. It's going to max out everything on your PC to see if the overclocking can actually work, and most importantly of all, it's actually safe for your PC. Now, if it wasn't safe during this test, it would come up right here saying, unfortunately, this is not safe for your PC. We're going back to stock. Now, I'm not going to lie, this won't happen to my PC as I've got quite a good PC, but for me, I'll just quickly press panic, reset to stock, revert it to stock. Simple as that. We're back to where we were normally. Now, this is the future of overclocking, by the way, and also CPU tuning, power settings right here, and also you can save your profile at the bottom so you can quickly go back to it and apply it again. So if you guys want to check it out, go on to GinShiTweaks.com, scroll down a little bit, Ginshi Auto Tune Pro. This is a monthly subscription, by the way, because this is the best you guys can ever get. But if you do purchase it right now, we are currently running a flash sale, and the developers hate me for this because they work so hard on it. But of course, I'll give it to you guys for much cheaper. Of course, we will be removing this very soon because genuinely they're not happy whatsoever. So make sure you check it out if you want the best technology for auto-tuning on your PC. And now we can move into our next tweak. Press Windows and R at the same time, so run pops up, and just type in reg edit. And yes, by the way, Ginshi Overclocker is genuinely that good. Now, once we're back into registry editor, what we need to get to is SFIO priority. We need to make sure the priority for your games is bumped up to the absolute absolute max, making sure that frame rate is literally through the roof. To get here, by the way, and this is a new file, I'll show you how to get here. Super simple stuff. HKey local machine, bring that folder down. Software, bring that folder down. Microsoft, bring that folder down as well. Now Windows NT will literally be right here. Make sure to bring that one down. Current version, bring that one down. Now look for multimedia, then system profile, then tasks, and then go on to games. Make sure just to click onto it. SFIO priority. Most of you won't have this one, so right click on a blank space, go on to new, then string value. Once you click onto string value, just double click onto it to rename it, or if you haven't named it already, SFIO priority. If you need to pause the video, make sure you pause it. Once you've made it, you're not going to have any data values in it, so double click onto it, value data of high. Literally just type it just like so, press onto OK. But as for our next thing, yet again, just getting lower latency, go onto the search bar, search CMD, go on to run as administrator. Now to get this line of code, go down in the description below, latency-sensitive performance. What we need to do is make sure Windows knows your latency should be the lowest it possibly can. And by the way, whilst you're down in the description, remember to leave a like and do subscribe. It means so much to me. What we need to do is this, by the way, Control-C on the first line of code. Now paste it into the command prompt by pressing enter. Just like before with the PCIe, nothing will happen, but it's completely fine. Now as for the second line of code, Control-C, paste it, again, nothing's gonna happen, but again, completely fine. Now for our next tweak, one of the most important registry tweaks I will ever show you guys. Press Windows and R at the same time so run pops up, and make sure you do this tweak, by the way, so important. Double click onto regedit, press onto OK. What we need to do is make sure prefetcher is not enabled on your PC. What this is, by the way, in the background of your PC, it preloads any app. Obviously, why would you want this if you're gaming? Whilst you're gaming, other games are loading in the background. You obviously don't want this unnecessary usage. So to actually get rid of this, HKey local machine, bring that folder down. System, bring that one down. Current control set, bring that one down. Control, bring that one down. Now scroll down until we see session manager, bring that one down. Memory management, bring that one down. Prefetch parameters, just click onto it. Enable prefetcher, double click onto it. We don't want it to be enabled, so we press 0 as the value data, base of hexadecimal, press onto OK. Remember, if you want JINSHI overclocker, the best overclocker you guys can get, literally just go onto the website down below. Pros are using it, including 27Twite. He's the second best Fortnite player in the United Kingdom. You can see his earnings right here. He does not mess about, and he overclocks his PC to make sure he gets the best performance. Like I said, there's a flash sale right now, not only for the overclocker, by the way, but for literally anything. And the complete gaming bundle along with the overclocker literally means you never have to tweak again. It's really that good. And of course the PC tweaks to make sure you get max frames.